So just imagine in your head that you're gonna get a call from Tanisha Vadhwani.
No fucking way. There is no fucking way.
So we call ourselves Third Eye.
It's called psychic entertainers.
But how does this like intuition thing work?
We use psychic abilities for entertainment purposes.
Of course, you cannot tell it to us कि भाई ये देखिए यहाँ पे डालता हूँ ऐसे हो जाता है.
I'm not great.
Down for wrong hearted.
So guys, people watching this podcast, these two are mentalists, magicians, whatever you can name them.
How do you introduce yourself?
Yeah.
So we call ourselves Third Eye. That's our
Third eye.
Third eye.
Third Eye. That's our name, and we are.
Name of our group और हमें जो बोला जाता है it's called psychic entertainers. We use psychic abilities for entertainment purposes.
Do you really?
You will see. You can judge for yourself.
Yeah, so these two are psychic entertainers. अब कितने entertain करेंगे? We will figure out this by end of this podcast. So let's roll in.
Yes. So how did you guys meet?
Average podcast. So how did you
It was
guys
not
meet?
Tinder.
It was Grinder.
Bumble.
Grinder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but हाँ हम मिले थे. So it was 2019 I think. COVID का time चल रहा था तब. So I used to
19 से COVID है.
2020 sorry हाँ 20 में मिले थे. हाँ so it was 2020 COVID and तो मैं उस time I was putting out a few videos और मैं perform करता था काफ़ी virtually at that time क्योंकि बाहर जा नहीं सकते थे लोग. So I was doing my stuff and एक दिन मेरे पास randomly गौतम का कोई मैसेज आया था which I ignored in the beginning.
Sad.
You know for what reasons.
I understand.
क्योंकि उस टाइम गौतम ने बहुत अच्छी हरकत करी थी एक एंड थोड़ा
मैं फेमस हो गया था कम्युनिटी.
काफी फेमस हो गया था गौतम amongst a few people not for the right reasons.
You flash or something, yeah.
I'm not Drake.
I think by this time this podcast will be like people won't recognize कि Drake वाला scene क्या है.
Yeah, मतलब I think past news रहेगी वो अभी तक.
हाँ, past news हो चुकी होगी.
Should we make it recent again, Gautam? There's a mirror.
So everyone has seen it. That means.
Unfortunately. हाँ भाई वो तो अलग ही था यार.
क्यों करता है भाई?
हाँ so we met in 2020 I think. फिर हाँ then we started talking and हमने देखा our thinking sort of matched a lot and so I thought जो मैं करता हूँ सिर्फ I am the only one who does it but then I was wrong and then, yeah.
Nice, very nice. Good. काफी अच्छे से मिले.
मतलब I see मतलब you guys, I mean for a layman I would say you guys do magic. Am I wrong?
It's a very umbrella term you can say कि
Yeah.
magic क्योंकि वो सब कुछ
बहुत
अगर
कुछ आता है उसमें.
it's a हाँ बहुत सारी
So like it's like music मतलब music has a lot of genres right so like hip hop
Magic has a lot of genres.
pop everything so this has a lot of genres as well.
Right.
Now the way you do it varies
Makes sense.
in that way.
So जैसे आप दो लोग हो, usually magic ही मैं बोलूँगा.
Sorry,
Yeah,
it works.
Is done by mainly a single protagonist. Like there's
Right.
only one person who is like doing the main
Right,
things.
right.
But the two of you, how do you like coordinate that out? कि मैं guess करूँगा नाम, तू पूछेगा नाम. Like whatever, you know what I
Right.
mean, right? तो उस way में.
So like so as he said कि अगर हमने डेवलप कैसे किया तो उसके अंदर ही आंसर है. So जब हमने बचपन में जब मैं भी करता था तो कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जिनकी थोड़ी इनबिल्ट इंट्यूशन थोड़ी ज्यादा होती है रिलेटिव टू अदर्स. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारी ज्यादा है बट तुम जैसे मुझे लगता है सबकी होती है क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. जैसे तुम बड़े होते हो तो तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है कि नहीं यार इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ एबिलिटी यू कैन से थोड़ी है तुम में. ठीक है तो मुझे लगता था मैं ही करता हूँ. सो फिर मुझे ये मिला तो टेक्निकली वी आर 2 pieces ऑफ अ पजल वाली बात है. वी कॉम्प्लीमेंट है क्योंकि स्किल सेट भी थोड़ा जो हमारी एबिलिटीज हैं वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट भी हैं. सो वी कम टुगेदर तो दैट्स वाई तो वो कोऑर्डिनेटेड अपने आप ही है क्योंकि देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच ही डज वे बेटर देन मी. कुछ मैं बेटर करता हूं.
Everything.
Subjective again.
But so that is one thing that we sort of have our own abilities and our skill set which complement each other in a way.
Right.
And when we have to go perform a show and everything that of course we sit and write down क्या करना है कैसे करना है who needs to do what. So that is a completely different thing of show writing, script writing. वो पूरा अलग सीन है.
So like जो तुम्हारे skill set है, the abilities you are talking about, ये तुमने मतलब you learned it from somewhere.
So as he
Get it from
said,
somewhere.
yeah. So as he said, like मेरे को भी बचपन में लगता था भाई कि intuition सबकी होती है. Like you
Hmm.
think of a certain something and वो हो जाता है. That happens with all of us, right? Maybe we're thinking of a song and वो radio पे बज जाता था. कितना लगता था wow, freaky. We sometimes think of a friend and वो मिल जाता है हमें कहीं पे. So that ways, I thought it's similar to that. But people started telling me कि भाई नहीं तेरी थोड़ी ज़्यादा वो है कुछ है. So then जब मेरे को भी अंदर से realize हुआ कि maybe it's a little more. So of course I started researching on it. I started sort of doing certain things to develop it a little more.
So is it an ability that you can actually like develop? Is it like a muscle that you can build?
So of course अब like अभी लगता है हम दोनों को that like अभी जैसे हमको लगता था at different points कि we are the only ones who do it, but then we met each other. So और भी लोग होंगे who might be able to do this thing.
How
No.
long have you been doing this?
6 years.
Damn.
Yeah. So yeah, basically now अब हम में तो वो intuition थी तो हमने थोड़ा उस पर करा and we developed it. But for others अब हमें पता नहीं कि उसमें कैसे होता होगा. But for that we made a certain thing because this question everyone used to ask us कि हमें भी अपनी intuition develop करनी है, हमें भी like we need to grow in what we are and in life. So we made something special for that so that you can enhance your inner intuition. उस पर बाद में आएंगे क्या है वो चीज़.
Is it a course?
No, it's not.
Nah,
a course.
it's a book. It's not.
वो हम we are not.
Is it a book?
Is it a book? Is it a course? No, we are not that.
We don't have that intuition, so we can't guess.
Yeah, मतलब we will.
I तो clearly don't have.
You have in other matters.
Yeah.
Catching red
actually.
flags.
Catching. Oh, this is going to fuck me, but still I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
What like how did you like बचपन से you were thinking कि you have something, this ability that you are talking about,
हाँ.
you figure out this is unique in you. मतलब मेरा जो दोस्त है अभिषेक उसमें नहीं है ये.
Guys, the name Abhishek is very.
मेरा एक्चुअल में दोस्त अभिषेक.
Insider
हम उससे
jokes.
कल मिले भी
Okay.
थे. हम genuinely कल उससे मिले. अभिषेक से हम डर गए थे.
हाँ, actually इसका अभिषेक दोस्त है.
That's good.
That was an internal joke. Sorry.
तेरे तो
if you feel
काफी
out of
है.
context.
हाँ मेरे चिलीज shout out to चिलीज वाले भैया.
Yes. So how मतलब how did मतलब did you come to realize कि how did you get into it even more? You normally मेरे पास the example that you gave कि हाँ यार मैं दिमाग में कोई सोच रहा हूँ गाना and वो रेडियो पे बज जाता है.
हाँ हाँ.
That also happens with me.
Right,
But it's like
right.
कि getting to that कि I'm aware कि ये हो रहा है. Then I'm like कि I want to take the next step. You know I want to build this as a craft.
Right.
So I feel it's a craft.
It's a craft.
Right.
So how did that happen?
So it started by, as you said, looking at magic as an art form through a layman's eye. मतलब YouTube पे I think even for him we saw a few people like David Blaine. Most of you might have heard of him.
Yes, bro. That's scary. That guy's crazy. Bro.
Yeah, so I saw him basically and I was like, तो बड़ा मस्त चीज़ें कर रहा है यार ये. And yeah, before getting into this, मतलब I wanted to get into music.
Oh,
इससे पहले.
Oh.
Right.
singing or
Singing also, but that I realized
only my intuition is good.
It's not a long career for me. My intuition was good.
Nice, nice. I like it. I like the answer.
So I still play guitar. मैं गिटार सीखता था. I learned it for a good 7 years.
oh damn.
हाँ.
कितने साल की हो ना?
22.
क्या बात है?
I will be 23. हाँ, गिटार मैंने सीखना शुरू करा था जब रॉकस्टार रिलीज हुई थी.
Makes sense.
वहाँ से बस मेरे अंदर का जॉर्डन जाग गया. मैंने कहा बस भाई.
वो जॉर्डन तो अभी जागा हुआ है. Insider jokes again.
पर वो तो जिंदा है.
This is my kun fire kun moment.
पर वो तो जिंदा है.
भाई, पता नहीं कब तक.
I hope that Jordan in you dies soon. And a good character comes out.
becomes a तमाशा वाला.
Yeah.
So हाँ. Yeah, so I wanted to get into that. मेरा 10th grade में एक band भी था. We named it Yellow Diary, and in fact आज के दिन पे Yellow Diary is a very famous band.
Yeah.
If you have heard of it. So मैं उसको copyright लगा सकता हूँ लोगों पे.
भाई intuition.
Damn, भाई intuition, भाई for
मेरे पास
real.
in fact वो डायरी पढ़ी है अभी तक, because 10th grade में हम 4 लोग थे. एक बकचोदी लिए बस लिरिक्स लिखता था ताकि क्लासेस बंक कर सके हमारे साथ एक गिटार बजाता था, एक पियानो बजाता था, मैं गिटार और थोड़ा गाना गाता था। तो हम उस पर लिरिक्स लिखते थे। तो बुक येलो कलर की थी, इसलिए हमारा नाम था येलो डायरी।
भाई
But
येलो
that
डायरी
is-
एक्चुअली सेंट मी अ डायरी जो येलो कलर की।
आई न्यू इट।
So
This is
bro
crazy,
guessed
bro.
it before
It became a
it,
thing.
yeah, it became
Yeah,
a thing
why?
actually.
Like, is there anything else also that you guys have guessed and it has
Like, is there
I'm
any
guessing-
company you said this is Apple? Until Apple happened.
आधा सेब देखा आपने आगे और मेरे को लगा व्हाट अ लोगो।
यार ऐसे तो फिर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में काफी पैसा कमा सकते हो।
हाँ यार.
स्टॉक, ये बहुत सारे लोग हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि स्टॉक मार्केट भी तो फिर प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो।
हाँ,
द थिंग इज दैट वी प्रेडिक्ट ह्यूमंस, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर। स्टॉक मार्केट में ह्यूमन नहीं है ना।
स्टॉक मार्केट इज
इट्स टेक्निकली
ह्यूमन बिहेवियर के ऊपर
मास ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, बट देयर आर एल्गोरिथम्स एज वेल व्हिच आर वर्किंग। वो भी
So
है।
like people ask us कि आप लॉटरी प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो, ये बता दो। लॉटरी इज भाई मशीन से निकलती है वो, वी कांट रीड अ मशीन, बट या वी रीड पीपल। सो मतलब मशीन का क्या आउटकम होने वाला
लेकिन
है।
चिट वाली तो तू पकड़ लेगा.
चिट वाली
मैं चिट निकाल के लॉटरी लगाऊं अगर अभी.
अब भागेश्वर धाम की बात कर रहे हैं क्या?
That's political. We'll cut it.
No, so we went for that debate as well.
Okay.
हाँ.
Not here, please.
Not here, please. Yeah, we won't debate on that. Yeah. But हाँ मतलब चिट वाली we can, but आजकल लॉटरी मशीन से ही निकलती है मोस्टली। लाइक नंबर लिखा आता है ना लॉटरी का।
लाइक देयर इज अ इंसिडेंट एज वेल। हम अभी जब क्रूज पे गए थे, तो जब क्रूज हमारे ऊपर परफॉर्मेंस से हम करके आए हैं नीचे, तो रात को सब गए कैसीनो, हम भी चले गए।
हाँ
तो क्या हुआ कि वहाँ पे ना थोड़ी हवा फैल गई कि यार ये वही है जो ऊपर थे। तो वो
जादूगर.
हाँ बेटा बैठने नहीं दिया, खेलने नहीं दिया, कह रहे नहीं आप नहीं खेल सकते।
क्यों?
क्योंकि-
उनको किसी ने जाके बोल दिया था कि ये वही है, ये करते हैं ये सब चीजें। तो
ये सब चीजें
ये सब चीजें हाँ।
जादू टोना भाई ब्रो.
करियर है भाई।
ये सब चीजें करते हैं क्योंकि हाँ ये परफॉर्मर थे ऊपर। तो क्योंकि क्या हुआ, जितने भी लोग जिन पे भी हम करके आए थे, तो देवर लाइक वो आगे, वो हमसे ना मिलने आगे, बोले आप आगे इधर, हम भी आए हैं ऐसे। हमें खेलने नहीं दिया। कोई एक बंदे आके ऑफर कर रहे कि भाई पैसा मैं लगाता हूँ 50-50।
हाँ 50 जीत जाओ।
Damn.
बट हाँ नहीं, सो दे
Good business model actually.
बट हाँ बट क्रूज पे पता था कि वी आर देयर टू परफॉर्म, तो उन्होंने वो जो होता
But can you actually go to the casino and like get a lot of money?
सो आउट ऑफ ह्यूमन गेम्स लाइक जो डीलर के साथ खेलनी होती है, यस।
Yeah.
बट जैसे रूले वगैरह होता है, नो, क्योंकि उसमें again-
What the hell, bro?
Bro, we guys are going Goa right after this podcast.
But how does this like intuition thing work? Like this is very fascinating, bro. मतलब how?
So of course it's
How?
intuition and combined with getting a gist of reading people in a certain way to getting to know कि आगे वाला. So
Can you read me right now?
can I read you right now?
So you want to know what you're thinking, मैं बताऊँ, right? You're thinking of denying the next thing I say to you.
Okay.
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 Okay. Different answer. Most people usually say,
So
Not really.
no. So then we say exactly, you denied it.
Exactly. I got
so
that.
he
I'm smart. I'm basically smart. Adi, you're so smart.
Papa will be so proud of you.
You look like him.
Actually, you do look like him.
like whom?
Damar, क्या नाम है? What is the name of that guy?
I look like Javed Jafri.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
little.
Takeshi's casa.
वो पहन के आ जाऊँ मैं jumpsuit.
बस एक बार ऐसे बोल के Adi, you're so smart.
ऐसे नहीं. Adi, you're so smart. Mama will be so proud of you.
Like same, bro. Side से मैं देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को same लग रहा है.
मैं भी साइड से ही देख रहा हूँ.
Any casting directors watching this
So-
podcast?
So sorry you have been replaced by Bhuvan Bam.
Oh, Takeshi's castle.
भाई बहुत खराब हो गया भाई, but
हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा. मतलब he is doing his good, मतलब जो भी कर रहा है वो, but
बस जावे जा.
भाई जावे जा.
Javed Jafri.
OG.
OG. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, but I तो didn't deny.
Didn't deny. Okay. Okay. So
So
let's.
you can put in the clips where we read you the last time.
Yeah. There are some clips.
There are
There's a name of a person as well. जो मैंने कान में बोला था.
but
Can you
But
guess?
बात-
Can you guess that person for me?
Can you guess that person for you?
For me.
like the person you're thinking about right now.
Yeah.
The person you're thinking.
So you're
about,
thinking
right?
of a person, right?
I won't think of the person that I chose in the beginning now for this example because it will
The
just
person. Okay.
the
So you're thinking of a person in short.
yeah.
ठीक है. And this is a random person. It's not like someone जिससे रोज बात होती है, right?
No, it's someone I talked to.
रोज बात वाला तो कोई नहीं है ना कि
अभी जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ इस रोज वाला
तो रोज वाला नहीं करता, रैंडम वाला ही करता है.
रैंडम वाला करे.
ठीक है, क्योंकि वो तो किसी को पता हो भी नहीं सकता, राइट?
ठीक है, मैं सोच लूँ फिर उसका एक से.
याद है?
हाँ याद आ गया.
याद आ गया?
पता नहीं कि उसका नाम आ रहा है दिमाग में, बट हाँ कर लो गैस. अगर वो गैस हुआ तो क्रेजी है भाई.
So you're thinking of a person you don't
I don't talk to him.
often talk
Yeah.
to. Okay.
बोल दिया भाई मैंने.
हिम बोल दिया. 50%
कोई बात
work is
नहीं,
done,
कोई
भाई.
बात नहीं, कोई बात
ठीक
नहीं.
है, बहुत सारे
नाम
लोग
बताओगे
हैं.
ना आप?
हाँ.
हाँ भाई, लड़कियों के नाम सेम होते लड़कों जैसे कभी.
जैसे रजत और सिमरन.
Again, insider jokes, guys. We'll come on that later.
ये काट कर देंगे.
भाई ये प्लीज काट कर देना.
क्योंकि अगले पॉडकास्ट में पता लग जाएगा.
नाम तो बोल ही दिया भाई, ये
नाम
काट
बोल
देना
दिया.
भाई, ये काट देना.
I can't take it. Of course, of
Got it.
course.
हाँ. Okay, so basically you're thinking of a random person right now,
Yeah.
which you know but you don't talk to.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And you also helped in, मतलब तेरे को भी नहीं पता किसके बारे में सोच.
Nah, not
No,
not
no,
even
no
no
way.
idea, भाई.
Okay, ठीक है. So in your head, just imagine this person's name.
Hmm.
Okay, just in your mind, get this person's name.
Yeah.
So you told us it's a him.
Hmm.
Welcome.
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 It's him, guys.
ठीक है. अच्छा, can you think of this? अच्छा, so तेरा में पूरा नाम है इसका, like some
सिर्फ first name.
first name. Can you think of the full name for me?
Hmm.
Okay. ठीक है. So तू क्या surname का? Can you think of the first letter of the surname?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, okay. So what I'm getting from you is like, so do you think better in pictures or in words? How do you think better?
Pictures.
In pictures.
Hmm.
So just visualize this letter written. Imagine you're writing this letter down.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, yeah, you do think better in pictures. So this letter has no curves, basically. It's a line wala letter hai pura.
Damn.
Right?
Hmm.
Okay, like Y or a V, something like that. Not exactly that, but similar to that. The moment I said V, you nodded a little. Is it a W?
No.
It's not a W.
Hmm.
All right. Can you think of wait. In fact, let's do this again. Can you take your phone out again?
Sure.
Just take your phone out.
बोरा पीछे.
मैंने नहीं लिया भाई.
Yes.
Okay, open it up for me.
Hmm.
Okay, I will take it from you. ठीक है. So again, we don't know
Yeah.
what people you have on your phone, nothing like that. ठीक है. ठीक है. So you'll do the same thing. You will scroll through your contact list like this, and you will land.
इस बारी हार्दिक से करवा देते.
Actually, हाँ, I think इसलिए नहीं हुआ है. Maybe.
Right.
Maybe.
क्योंकि हार्दिक was the closest one.
Lock हो गया, खोल लिया.
क्योंकि हार्दिक was the closest.
Yeah, true. ठीक है. So you can do this time. ठीक है. Just scroll through.
She, where do you learn this from me?
मेरे दिमाग में यही आया.
Sorry, guys. I know I'm fucker.
Is it locked?
It is locked, actually.
Okay, cool. ठीक है. You open your phone up, but
Hmm.
okay, there you go. देख ले. And again, हाँ. So तूने देख. So you came up with a number last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उसी number का contact देख ले बस. But don't
We
tell.
came up with 3.
3.
Yeah.
So look at the third contact from there. Okay, lock the phone, keep it aside. Done? Okay, perfect. I will put this over here. So now you are thinking of a person from his contact list, which we cannot know.
Bro, it's last time इसने जो guess किया था ना number line crazy भाई.
क्या इस बार वो है क्या? क्योंकि मेरे को एक सेंस आ रही थी, मेरे को
It's
पता
like,
नहीं.
yeah, the surname, the first letter of the surname
बता मत मेरे को.
is actually not a curve.
Not a curve.
Yeah.
So एक second. I want to clarify. जो surname होगा वो नहीं होगा उसके like contact list में.
तूने देखा surname?
हाँ.
अच्छा, उसको सोचने दे. मतलब अच्छा, I don't know.
Yeah. Surname नहीं होगा, but still मतलब जो second word होगा, like not the surname, would also have not the curve वाला thing.
हाँ, exactly.
अच्छा, अब maybe you're thinking of different people. वो तो we don't know.
Okay.
हाँ.
वो obviously.
Okay.
Because I know he's thinking of a female.
Yeah.
Or as always.
As always.
You thought of a male, so that was a different
Okay.
person I am assuming.
You're thinking of a female?
Yeah, it's a female. Okay. ठीक है. Just think of this person in your head.
I don't know her, bro.
हाँ, अच्छा, उसकी contact है, but
I just know
so
the name.
imagine this person.
Imagine you're on a blind date.
Imagine you're on a blind date. How will she look? उसके नाम से just try to visualize her. South Delhi girl, very rich.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So remember in the beginning we talked about something to sort of help you improve your intuition, channelize your energy, stuff like that. So we developed a certain thing. It's this right here. So it's called the third eye wall. Okay. So मैं notification हटा रहा हूँ so that. So we developed this thing called third eye wall. So it's this wallpaper right here,
Okay.
if you can see.
Okay.
So this is customized
Can
for.
you see that again?
Can you show it in camera?
I will.
Okay.
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 So for the camera as well.
I don't know if it's in focus, but okay.
We'll take that image from him.
I'll send you the screenshot. So it's called the third eye wall.
Okay.
So it's customized for every person in a way that we make it in a way हम उनसे 3 goals पूछते हैं उनकी life के, which they want to you know go towards. बहुत future के goals हो सकते हैं, near future, it can be anything, and we make it specific for every person. Like in this you can see my initials written, Naman Khanna, so NK, and there are other things which you can't see from the naked eye but are inside of this. उसका अलग है, मेरा अलग है, just like that. So this is the thing which sort of helps, for you to manifest what you want, because it has subliminal clues which help your subconscious mind to get you closer to your goals.
Okay.
जो आपने हमें बताए थे.
Because phone is the thing जो हम
Every day.
frequency of using a phone is like कितनी बारी हम phone
Right.
उठाते हैं, so it affects. तो क्योंकि it's a volume game, तो हाँ.
Okay.
Right, so सुबह उठते हो phone देखते हो, so it sort of helps you. And so we gave it to a very exclusive number of people in the beginning. So मतलब सबको नहीं दे पाते क्योंकि it has to do with energy levels and stuff like that.
Okay.
क्योंकि your energies really have to be in sync to get this. क्योंकि किसी के अगर बहुत high या low energies हैं, it won't work on them, right?
And there is a very interesting thing I want to share कि ये हमने एक specific person को दिया था. Hardik knows that person.
हाँ.
It was CA Nayadatta.
Okay.
She asked, and her goal was कि I want to get married. So
Okay.
she was not in a relationship. ऐसा कुछ था नहीं.
Okay.
She is getting married now.
And she messaged us as well that
There was no boyfriend, कोई था ही नहीं. And she's getting married.
She
So
messaged
you're
us.
getting married. She messaged me. I will show that. कि voice note भेजा था कि I manifested it, and of course ये हमने दिया था. She did apply it, and of course she's getting married now.
Yeah, so
So yeah, one of the examples. There are many examples.
मतलब one you know of.
One you know of.
Is it paid?
Good question.
Good question.
Or we are good friends.
That's what she said, bro.
We are just good friends, but I would like to take your manifestation card.
So
But
yeah,
it shouldn't be with everyone, I feel.
yeah.
It varies.
That's why we have a certain criteria to give it to
Yeah.
people.
Like, what is the criteria?
So वो भी बता नहीं सकते क्या है.
You should like the energy, or is it something like that?
हाँ, so मतलब of course we get on a call with that person. We ask them उनके goals क्या है, वो सब क्या है, and we do certain tests and things.
Sort of there is an interview round ऐसे basically.
Interview round sort of.
There are sort of
मैं दे रहा हूँ ये interview.
And no one in the world is doing this.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is very rare. Rare.
Yeah, because मतलब people will tell you कि भाई मतलब क्योंकि लोग हमसे ये पूछते हैं कि how to develop your intuition better. So this is what helps you in it क्योंकि we've made this over a period of 3 years.
Damn.
To sort of develop it in a way
Right.
कि सबके लिए चल जाए. But
और अभी हमें एक specific बनाने 3 years was to just to R&D you can say.
हाँ.
We are testing it out. ऐसे काम कर रहा है, किसके लिए कितना काम कर रहा है, किसके लिए कौन से stars align होते हैं, everything जो भी उसमें प्रोग्राम है. बट अभी हमें एक स्पेसिफिक बनाने के लिए it takes us around 6 to 7 hours.
right.
एक स्पेसिफिक क्योंकि उस बंदे के 3 गोल अलग है, हर बंदे के अलग होंगे obviously and specific for that person. तो हाँ.
Right. So it works that way. So behind our card here, there's sort of a miniature.
It's a miniature version of that.
If you can see, it's a miniature version of it.
Okay.
And so whatever you sort of manifest in this might as well take place in the given moment. It is very rare, but it might.
Oh damn.
Okay. So you're thinking of a name.
Yeah.
Yeah. In your mind, just get this. Just keep thinking of this person, and you haven't seen this person ever. so
Never,
you can
never.
In fact,
only-
can you do this thing? Can I have that one? We will try to charge this.
Yeah.
You will try to charge this with that person's thought. जो भी इंसान सोचे. Just take this in your hand. Hold it like this. Just think about that person, and this will charge, and you will see. And Just keep it like this. Keep your hand on top.
You want me to
Just think
of
about
the
the
same person, right?
yeah, the person you were
think of that
thinking.
person. Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Out. In. Out. Great. You can open your hands.
Okay. ठीक है. So it's a female that I figured. Some hints you gave me in the beginning. That line.
Yeah, she's from South Delhi.
That I don't know actually.
That he doesn't know.
Ooh, okay. Acha. It's not a very old-fashioned name as well. It's sort
Yeah.
of recent
Yeah.
Gen Z type
Gen
of
Z
name
name,
of a toxic girl. Not really. Well,
Not
I think this is not a toxic.
I will
girl
let
name,
you know.
actually.
He will let me know that.
This is actually not a toxic girl name.
Yeah.
It's not Ria
Yeah,
Simran.
thing. ऐसे नाम
Yeah.
नहीं है. हाँ. Or Grace.
Okay. Please, this is getting personal now.
Okay. Just
Can you
हाँ.
just keep your eyes closed? That's very important. And make sure his eyes are closed. ठीक है?
देखना नहीं है भाई.
भाई बंद है भाई.
लगता है बर्फ पड़ने. Okay. So you might know तेरे contact list so you might know that ऐसा इंसान exist करता हो, but he could have chosen any person and thought of anyone. So I'll first show the camera.
Just keep your eyes closed.
क्या लिखा है?
It's closed.
Okay. And I will show you as well, but don't react. To it.
Don't say anything. Don't react.
Don't say anything. Okay. All right. Hardik, you can open your eyes. Now, through what I was able to sense and through your vibe and energy, this should hopefully be the person you're thinking of. On my count of 3, just say the name of this person. 1, 2, 3. Who are you thinking of? Just the first name.
Tanisha.
Okay.
Why this is crazy, why?
But this wasn't the person I was thinking.
Yeah, that wasn't the person
Yeah.
you were thinking of. Yeah.
Well,
Because we told you कि
When was the last time you met
you
Tanisha?
you spoke to this person. When was the last time?
No, 4 months back.
4 months back.
4 5.
That's when you met him,
4 5. Yeah, somewhere.
approximately.
After college, like last day of college, I met him maybe.
Last day of college?
I just saw him and like spoke to him once.
No, this person, Tanisha. met him
Tanisha.
last week.
Tanisha.
He's, which Tanisha?
Yeah, there are
He's
lots of
confused.
Tanishas.
पूरा नाम सोच ले भाई.
Tanisha Wadhwani.
Okay.
Vadwani. Yeah, I spoke to her in college. She left college.
I wish he said yesterday.
Been a while.
Been a while,
Right,
right?
been a
It's
while.
not like she.
She was your college friend or
She was junior. Yeah.
a junior? Okay.
God.
Cool.
So, but this is
Interesting.
crazy, भाई. कि भाई सच में पूरा नाम तो नहीं होगा, initial guess.
Okay, in fact,
Huh.
I think. Can you he has that, right? Can you hold that like that? And just think about Tanisha.
Because you know how she looks and
Yeah.
Forgot.
you forgot.
Forgot.
Acha.
There are many Tanishas.
Okay, and you can open the hand
Hmm.
and I'll pass it to him. उसको दे.
Just keep thinking about Tanisha. Just look at me. Imagine she's in front of you. You know how she looks, right? Okay, so you have two. Like you're confused between like you do remember her,
Yeah.
but initially you thought of another person as well, Dusri Tanisha, which you know. Initially you thought of it. We were talking.
Someone else.
You were thinking of someone else.
But I was trying to picture exactly how she looks.
When you were trying to figure out kaun si Tanisha, you had someone else in your mind first. Then when we told you
that didn't come up. She didn't come up. Now she's coming up.
Now she's
But yeah. But now I'm thinking of just Tanisha Vatwani.
okay. Imagine she's standing in front of you.
Got it?
And do you remember a specific memory with her?
Yeah.
Specific. Okay, ठीक है. Just get that memory in your mind.
Right.
So your college, okay. डोंट से एनीथिंग, ठीक है?
Mhm.
जब तक मैं कुछ पूछूं ना, जस्ट कीप अ पोकर फेस, मैं नहीं चाहता कि कुछ बोल, ठीक है? जस्ट इमेजिन कि शी इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, कॉलेज की मेमोरी है, ओके, एंड but there are multiple people in this, not specifically her. It's not like ki she was only there, but maybe the interaction was with only her. Just keep a poker face. In fact, it's been a while you have talked to her, right? Do you want to talk to her?
Yeah.
It works, right?
Yeah.
And we told you that through that miniature version of it, जो भी हम सोचते हैं, whatever we manifest might take place in the moment. So right now Tanisha's name is written over that thing, over the third eye wall, right? Which means we have sort of manifested and channelized her energy over there. Okay. And the only way for you to contact her right now is
Phone.
through your phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did get a notification अभी.
नहीं वो
Okay.
अच्छा, no, just take your phone.
Just take your phone and
उसकी तो नहीं है ना, उसका कुछ मैसेज तो नहीं है.
and ringer पे कर लेना,
नहीं.
And just put it on ringer.
and lock it and keep it towards this camera, like सामने.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Just think about Tanisha.
So since
And imagine जो memory थी, you want to convey a specific message to her. Just think about that message. What you want to convey to her. ठीक है? If you get to contact her, or if she contacts you, you never know. So what will you tell her? Just keep thinking about her. Just think
Okay.
about all the qualities about her.
Right. I think this should work. So just
Right.
imagine that Tanisha is going to call you right now. You spoke to her last, even you don't remember when, years back.
Months back.
Months back, okay. But since you've thought of her right now, the energy has gone to her as well, and she will right now contact you, okay? So just imagine in your head that you're gonna get a call from Tanisha Wadhwani.
No fucking way.
उठा
There is no fucking way. Hello?
Right here.
हाँ.
So the only weird thing which happens when this happens is that
Should I call back?
if you call her back, she might not remember that she called you.
Because of this, it wipes her memory off as well. मतलब एक बारी होने
You
के
can
बाद,
call her, but
you
she
can
will-
just call her. Just call her.
she will
Just call her.
probably deny. She will probably deny that she called you.
If she remembers, she will say yes. But just ask her that did she call?
Hi.
Hi, no, what's up?
सब बढ़िया. तूने कॉल करा था अभी?
मैंने
हाँ.
जल्दी से लगाओ क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं पता.
Okay. Okay. Alright. मेरे को कॉल आया था क्योंकि तेरा अभी.
कहाँ पे?
फोन पे.
मतलब व्हाट्सएप
Normal call.
मैंने तो किया ही.
मैं स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दूंगा तेरे को इनकमिंग कॉल का आया हुआ है मेरे को भाई. यस डन. मैं तेरे को कॉल बैक कर दूँ थोड़ी देर में. ओके बाय बाय.
And the best part is, because of this, थोड़ी hallucination होती है. And she was like, या हाँ शायद किया था पर नहीं किया, पर हाँ किया था. So not sure. इधर भी नहीं ना इधर भी नहीं. She was in the middle. कि हाँ किया तो था, पता नहीं पर हाँ.
ओके.
So yeah. So this was something related to Tanisha.
डैम भाई डैम कॉल आ गया भाई. मुझे भी कुछ लोगों का कॉल चाहिए. मालिक साहब जरा एक आध और हो जाता तो.
अंबानी जी से करा दो.
It's crazy भाई, it's crazy.
मतलब every illusionist, every magician says there is no magic. There is like
Tricks.
there is tricks and there is practice that makes the trick better. I'm not saying this wasn't like a trick. All I'm saying is कि is it something, because sleight of hand जो बोलते हैं लोग, you know, card tricks में there's everything sleight of hand. You need to practice that shit a lot, you know,
Right.
for it to be very smooth and all of that. So is this something that you have to brush up on regularly?
Yeah, so like in cards, as you said, there's sleight of hand. With what we do, there's sort of sleight of mind.
Do you really think that this is do you believe in energies in the universe?
Yeah, मतलब all of us have certain auras. मतलब even you get a sense of it. Like you meet a person, you get a vibe. कि ये कैसा इंसान होगा, and you make a judgment. And why does that judgment arise? Because you're getting the vibe of that person. उनकी energy की एक vibe आ रही है, उनके aura की एक presence feel हो जाती है कि क्या है, कैसे है, and you get a certain vibe of it. So yeah, मतलब energies of course do exist. Everything here is made up of certain energies.
The best example I can give you is कि ये 7 chakras होते हैं. ठीक है, तो the name of a group is the third eye, right? Third eye means, और हमारे religion में भी third eye की बड़ी significance है. So third eye is the reason you can of course you can channelize it.
So third eye is the highest chakra which is over here in humans. बाकी सारे exist करते हैं. So you might have seen a chart या कुछ ऐसे अलग अलग colors के
Yeah, so your body में
body में बनते हैं. So that is basically an aura of a person. So which one is dominant, that depends on how much that person is practicing or developing themselves.
जैसे बोला जाता है कि कुछ के किसी के 1-2 खुले होते हैं या किसी के सब सारे 7 chakras खुले होते हैं. तो of course it depends on how you practice meditation. There are certain rituals you can do, there are certain spells you can do. तो हाँ.
What is the benefit of like opening these chakras, and how do you do it?
So we are not saying हमारा खुला हुआ है. But yeah, as we said that there is a way to
Right.
develop this stuff to get into this thing.
What's the benefit? I will tell you the benefit. First of all, अगर benefit ये होता है कि you can bring certain things in your life. As you mentioned कि इसके ऊपर भी जैसे ये है, that's उसका एक element इसके अंदर भी है. It helps you, you can say, influence your environment better. अपने benefit के लिए, if you want, whatever you want from life. किसी के लिए कुछ, it could be material success, कुछ लोगों की spirituality is very big thing in their life. So it helps you channelize those things in a better way because you have that, जो आपकी energy की frequency that's way higher, तो हाँ, it helps.
So you can bring stuff that you're thinking to actual life.
Of course.
Right.
So we are not saying कि you don't need to take action. Of course.
Yeah,
ये तो
yeah,
है नहीं कि
you can't just sit down and
बैठ के कि अच्छा ये हो जाएगा.
But your environment acts in a way that you are attracted closer towards those things.
When did you guys start to believe in like energies, and how did something happen with you guys that you had to be like, yaar, this is something really serious? Why is not everyone talking about it?
So luckily ऐसा कुछ बुरा तो नहीं हुआ.
बुरा नहीं, as in
मतलब
like
हाँ.
something की जैसे कि the same
So-
FM वाला thing.
हाँ, right.
But
as
at
we
a bigger
said-
scale.
हाँ, so as we said that आसपास के like close friends and family started saying कि तुम्हारी intuition थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, and we started realizing it as well क्योंकि when we got a vibe of a person या कुछ, मतलब it was mostly always bang on point, and like this thing getting a few thoughts out of people या कुछ, that again not with everyone but it keeps happening. So that's when I realized, and I guess him too, that okay, there is something and let's start working on it. And of course matlab to use it from a point of view of an like a entertainment perspective is a completely different thing, or to use it in
Because we want to take this क्योंकि initially when we used to do this, using these abilities we can like do what you're thinking of या जो भी है. So initially it was entertainment क्योंकि लोगों की majority people don't want to understand कि हुआ कैसे. They were like यार वाह यार ये था क्या. So वो first reaction वही आता है, and वही first umbrella term is magic. It looks like magic.
matlab it feels like
It feels like magic,
like
obviously.
you got a call from that person. It felt like a
Yeah.
like,
So was this for entertainment or was this spiritually done?
so matlab it was for entertainment. Now how we did it, if we tell you that,
So no, I am not asking that.
yeah.
But all I'm saying is ki for how do you distinguish, how do you define that line as a illusionist and a magician, like as for entertainment and for
So
benefiting, like this card
initially,
is
yeah, right.
for something else.
So initially when we used to do this कि हमें था कि we are never used to do the entertainment specifically, but क्या होता था जब भी हम ये करते थे, so it's like people come up to us कि यार so okay great, but it's like entertainment हुआ, it's वहीं पे हुआ और खत्म हो गया. There's no impact in their life. उनकी जिंदगी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, right? They enjoyed अभी के लिए कि wow man, but उनकी जिंदगी में लॉन्ग टर्म का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं हुआ. तो पीपल लाइक कि अगर हमें ये डेवलप करना हो कि जिससे हमारी कोई एबिलिटी डेवलप हो जाए या जिससे हम अपनी जिंदगी बेहतर कर पाए, तो देन वी थॉट कि इसको थोड़ा और एक्सपैंड करते हैं. इट्स अबाउट देम नाउ कि अगर आपका बेनिफिट हो इससे कि यू कैन ऑल्सो डेवलप दिस एंड देन यू कैन बेनिफिट इन योर.
Right, and for me that was the first reason that I got into this thing. क्योंकि जब when initially I started doing it. ऐसी छोटा मोटा friends families I used to perform just to entertain them. तो ऐसे people got really happy to see such a thing because it was something they had never seen before, right? So मतलब उनको होता था wow, yeah. So you know, in life today, in such chaos, if you're able to give a moment of joy to a person, that is a very rare, that is a very special feeling for you. So that is like a thing. Firstly कि मैं इसके अंदर घुसा, that if I can bring a smile to a person's face with this, let's do it. And then again, as Gautam said, that to take it a step further, to help them benefit from it even more, we started going into the thing apart from entertainment. So yeah,
So like, are you guys planning to like commercialize this?
the third eye wall.
Yeah.
So as we said कि not everyone gets it.
हाँ, right.
There is that filtration process which we have to go through. Otherwise, yeah, it is commercialized. Like people do contact us, उनको किसी friend के phone पे दिखता है, कहीं से दिखता है, क्योंकि it's मतलब थोड़ा अलग wallpaper लगता है. वो लगता है ये क्या चीज़
क्या
है,
जादू टोन हो रहा है?
कि क्या लगा मैं, ये ऐसे बीच में आँख बनी है, साइड में ये पत्ते बने हैं, क्या है ये. So and उनके initials भी लिखे होते हैं बीच में. So people usually ask others के wow, what is this? And approx abhi we have given to this around 60 people, I would say.
So like all of them are getting benefited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have very good testimonials. Like
Yeah.
screenshots after screenshots. और हमने I think वो डाले भी हुए हैं कि
थोड़े से हमने Instagram पे डाले हुए हैं अपना.
हाँ कि people are like ये there was a girl, उसका कुछ I think exam clear नहीं हो रहा था, कुछ था, मतलब there was a certain thing, मुझे exactly याद नहीं उसने क्या बोला था. I have that message. And she was like, हमने उसको दिया एक हफ्ते के अंदर, she messaged me कि यार
Whatever her problem was.
I don't know how it happened, but नहीं हो रहा था 2 साल से और अब हो गया.
Even she was like कि उसको भी नहीं पता was it this, was it something else, but again she messaged us कि यार जब से मेरे को ये मिला उसके एक हफ्ते में this thing happened.
और वो चीज़ 2 साल से नहीं हो रही थी, just to
हाँ.
give context.
So मतलब I also believe in first of all manifestation.
Right.
It's real. If you
Right.
believe in something solely, if you have faith in like the thought that you already have, it'll happen. 100% होगा. But just I have a vision board also it's on my wallpaper. कि bro, मतलब these are all the things I want to achieve by the end of the year, and I have long-term goals in it, and it's stacked there to just for me to see every day, for my subconscious brain to witness कि bro, I'm going to achieve all of this. 100% I'm going to do this.
Right.
So all of those things are cool, but what is different in these things that you're making custom, like those 3 goals that you're asking people for them to come true? What is different in that? कि उसमें ऐसा क्या है कि that will 100%.
And like how those 3 goals are like enough to know about whether things will work for them or not?
So see, again, so there is a process through which we ask them for goals as well. It's not कि हमने कहा उन्होंने उस टाइम भेज दिए, ऐसे काम नहीं करता. You really have to go in the depths of yourself first to be able to think of those goals. क्योंकि वरना तो यार सब लोग 3 ही गोल बोलेंगे. मेरे को पैसे चाहिए, मेरे को बंदी चाहिए, बंदा चाहिए, मेरे को बड़ा घर चाहिए.
ये तेरे गोल्स हैं.
आप अपनी इंट्यूशन प्रिडिक्ट कर पाते हो क्या?
Everyone's goal, I think.
आप अपने लिए इंट्यूशन प्रिडिक्ट कर पाते हो क्या? Not
See.
really.
Come on, यार, we know Rajat.
It's like कि like हम अपने लिए कर पाते हैं, but हम अपने पे कभी उतना ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं लगाते. I will tell you why. कैसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल जो सब रिलेट करेंगे कि जब आप अपने दोस्त, हार्दिक इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल, जो हार्दिक एडवाइस दूसरों को देता है, यू हैव सीन हिज रील्स, वेरी गुड रील्स, वेरी रिलेटेबल. पर जब हार्दिक, यू कैन आस्क हिम एज वेल कि जब खुद पे लगाने की बारी आती है तो देन यू गो समटाइम्स यू अपने आप को we don't advise that well.
Ultimately मतलब we are also human. हम ये नहीं कह रहे भाई हम कोई higher power है या वो
right.
कुछ है.
Illuminati
है, हाँ. So we are also humans at the end of the day. We feel the same thing which everyone feels.
Like there are some things like people do with stones also. There are a lot of different activities.
Right.
Like जिसको काला जादू भी बोलते हैं, different aspects में, all of that.
So I will give you a reference कि
तो हम बंगाली नहीं है.
It's a racist यार. बहनचोद मत कैंसिल करवाओ. जल्दी यार. 3rd episode Mixed Fruit closed.
hashtag Vivek Bindra. So like
नहीं कर रहा यार.
कौन है विवेक बिंद्रा?
It's better you don't know him. We'll discuss that some other day.
some shit happened.
Not on camera.
Off camera.
Yeah.
So like for example, there are many things which people have heard कि there is telepathy,
100%.
which means you can transfer thoughts.
Hmm.
And of course उसमें भी 2 लोग लगते हैं. अगर we can only receive thoughts जब सामने से thought आ रहा हो. It depends on both people. ऐसे एक बंदे पे नहीं डिपेंड करता. Telepathy, people have
Yeah, my dad is level 3 Reiki.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Mom is level 2 Reiki.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
sister's level 2.
What is Reiki?
Reiki is also transferring of energy.
Yeah,
from,
right.
Like your energy to someone else to heal someone. Or,
Right.
You know.
So you know about this stuff a lot already.
It is
about the-
fascinating to me.
Yeah,
and my
energies
parents
and
are also.
everything.
Yeah.
Never heard of Reiki. Never heard
Yeah.
of this
Is
stuff.
it?
Bhai. Never heard of
I
this
have
stuff.
heard that pyramid wala thing also.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Reiki is there, telepathy is there. So what we do is a combination of many things.
Hmm.
Okay? What you saw right now was a because we didn't use that energy to heal you.
Hmm.
Of course, Tanisha can heal you if she wants.
Heal me, Tanisha. Heal me. Fix me.
But we channelize that energy in a very different way to produce a very different outcome. क्योंकि एनर्जी होती है यूजुअली क्या होता है एनर्जी की कोई फिजिकल फॉर्म नहीं होती
Hmm.
टू प्रूव दैट कि उस एनर्जी की फिजिकल फॉर्म होती है यू गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम हर राइट एंड देयर इज नो व्हेनेवर शी विल कॉल यू राइट नाउ
So
दैट्स अ फिजिकल फॉर्m of that energy.
Correct. So, malab, I am not saying this is weird or this is, this is a trick or
No,
something
you
like
can say it. It's fine.
that. But it's like there are obviously when things like this happen, there are a lot of questions. Ki bro, this is fake.
Right. Because people want an answer to
Everything.
everything.
Yeah, right.
That is true. That is human nature.
True.
Right.
Just like she has sent me a screenshot. Maybe she has of her phone. Maybe I'm guessing. I have also not. This is my intuition.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's your
you know,
intuition.
She has sent me a
Call
screenshot of कि मैं उससे call नहीं करा.
Exactly.
And I'll be very honest here, ठीक है? Because this is something really
Right.
fascinating.
Right.
So, and when I was talking about the Tanisha card, you were on your phone.
Okay.
So maybe there was some linkage.
And you were copy pasting some numbers.
Me?
So
Nahi,
maybe I don't know. So all I'm
But
saying is,
Tanisha,
but the
he doesn't
trick
know
is,
Tanisha.
I don't know like what it was.
The
I was
trick
just
is
seeing
कि-
it somewhere. Oh.
So, so firstly, we didn't know you will think of her.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Secondly,
Exactly.
I don't have your number.
that.
That
all
that
I'm
is what
saying
I was
is-
like. What is that?
That's why I
I
asked.
cannot have Tanisha's number.
The thing I asked was,
Right.
उसके बाद ही कि was this for entertainment or was this spiritual? So you said entertainment.
Entertainment, yeah.
So that is what my thing was. Ki was this solely that, like as in for entertainment or not, or was this a trick? And when you said ki abhi ki this was for their spiritual ka like practical form,
It's a physical form. of it.
physical
Physical
form.
form of the energy.
So, but I
But
feel
we had to
that
use
is a
it
little-
for entertainment. matlab,
yeah.
That's what it sort of means.
But you can say you can say, for example, the product has very different use cases. It's a different use case. It depends on the situation, of course.
Yeah.
This situation it was just to give it a physical form कि people can also see. ठीक है? Otherwise, of course, तो क्योंकि वो healing वाले के अंदर there's nothing that physically takes place, right? So people can't see, but इसमें सब देख पाए कि what happened. So yeah, so it has different use cases.
Or is it a combination of two different things
So it's mostly a combination of
to prove a
again,
particular point?
intuition, psychology, a little bit of it, and a little bit of energies. It's a combination of all those things.
भाई मिक्स फ्रूट तो खोल लेते हैं.
क्या? हाँ. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कन्वर्सेशन हो गई भाई.
हाँ भाई एकदम मैं तो खो ही गया भाई. तो सवाल ही नहीं पूछ पा रहा था भाई. फक भाई ये तो बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंस हो रहा है.
भाई बट तो we will just end that conversation. उसमें वही कि जैसे कि she is telling me अभी she sent me a photo. That might be some other Tanisha.
Right.
So
There's someone else.
There's someone else.
but
Always.
but I got a call.
That's more fascinating.
Damn.
But I got a call from her. So यार तू
ठीक है तू पहले बात खत्म कर ले
हाँ.
फिर मैं करूँ.
फिर हम ड्रिंक्स बनाएंगे.
तो आई मीन फिगर आउट करना कि कौन है वो, उसका नंबर फिगर आउट करना, मेरा नंबर फिगर आउट करना इज ऑल टू मी स्टिल अनक्लियर.
And we just met you.
yeah
Be clear.
yes
हाँ.
and to give me a call if you have my number from someone else's phone is still I believe it is possible.
And you got a call from her number specifically.
yeah so that is still possible. You would need both numbers to
Yeah,
figure
that's
out.
what I was very questioning कि भाई अगर इसको चल एक तेरा नंबर कैसे पता भी है तो उसका नंबर कैसे पता है.
So all of that is
And you
still-
need to know that person as well. And he was thinking of a random because you thought of another person पहले. He was
हाँ.
thinking different. तो
that is still not अभी तक revealed.
अच्छा, okay.
yeah
That person?
Yeah.
person
अच्छा,
like
you were thinking of अच्छा मैं कहा अच्छा ये तो
हाँ the person I was thinking of is
oh, yeah,
still-
which you thought, right?
yeah
हाँ, अच्छा, okay.
the first person and the second person also that I thought.
कितने नाम सोच रहा है भाई तू?
ज़्यादा
दो ही
पसंद
नाम
कौन
सोचे थे. एक तो आपने फर्स्ट बिगनिंग में सुन लाइक
अच्छा अच्छा.
एंड देन जो इसका था जिसने गेस करना था बट
जो इसने गेस करना था.
he was trying to because he was trying to
he was trying to guess
Tanisha.
Not Tanisha. I was thinking of someone.
Yeah, the very first minute of the podcast.
अच्छा इनिशियली जो तूने नाम सोचा था.
Initially एक सोचा था and then मैंने एक नाम सोचा था, आपने बोला था जिससे बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay.
वो नाम मैंने सोचा था but वो आपने नहीं बताया अभी तक.
वो नहीं बताया मैंने अभी तक.
अब उससे कॉल नहीं करवाएंगे, उसको बुला ही लेंगे आप.
हाँ.
दरवाजे खोलो, शी इज देयर, ही इज देयर.
वो he. Yes, the he.
The he.
yes.
The he we didn't tell you of. Okay.
So to answer your question, like you asked, क्या पूछा था? Last question was your, what was your last specific question? You asked something, right? कि to end this conversation, you asked something.
So it was कि
You don't know how we got certain.
yeah, there was
things.
something still missing.
Right.
Exactly. So
that I
that's why
cannot figure out.
ultimately it's mysterious.
Yeah, it should be. I
art
mean, that is
field.
that
Yeah,
is
yeah,
exactly.
right.
Of course, you cannot tell it to us कि भाई ये देखिए यहाँ पे डालता हूँ ऐसे हो जाता है.
Sounds so wrong, Hardik.
No personal attacks, guys.
कुछ लोग आजकल बेली बटन में डाल रहे हैं.
क्या हो रहा है ये?
Another podcast, someone spoke about this.
Yeah, I think I've heard this.
Reel देखी थी मैंने.
मैंने भी.
कि वो एक कपल था, वो एक डॉक्टर के पास गए, सेक्सोलॉजिस्ट के पास, कि उनका बच्चा नहीं होता 7 साल से. 7 years they couldn't have a kid. And उनके टेस्ट वेस्ट हुए, they were both completely fertile, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं था.
गलत छेद में डाल रहे थे ब्रो.
गलत छेद नहीं, बेली बटन.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Belly button.
For 7 years.
No. इतना डम नहीं हुआ.
Logic was also very good कि यार बच्चा तो पेट से होता है, तो
पेट से होता है,
पेट
तो
में
पेट-
छेद है तो
भाई
let's go.
ये 8th में जब नहीं पढ़ाना इंडिया हमको,
ये
भाई
भाई
8th में सेक्स एजुकेशन नहीं
ये
हो
जो
पाएगी.
टीचर बोलती है ना, we will skip this chapter. It is
भाई यार
bro.
वो पेज पलट देते हैं बच्चे यार.
आप बस आ गए गोदी में.
या सीधा बोल देते हैं प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाओ.
भाई शिट यार, ये वाली नहीं देखा मैंने.
मैंने शायद देखा कहीं, तो मैंने सुना हुआ है.
It was Dr. Cuterus.
राज शमानी की पॉडकास्ट.
Dr. Cuterus.
मेरे को बुरा लग रहा है भाई सोच के.
लड़की के लिए ना, मुझे भी.
भाई सबके लिए बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को.
दोनों के लिए भाई, दोनों भ्रम में जी रहे हैं भाई दुनिया में.
तो सबसे ज्यादा बुरा तब होता अगर बच्चा हो जाता उसके बाद.
फिर तो भाई
Science would have been revolutionized.
Right.
Damn, ये तो वर्ड गलत है. Yes, so but manifesting is also, I really believe in manifesting कि if I think of something and
But
over time if I really believe in that thought तो हो जाएगा.
Right.
बट आई थिंक जितना मैनिफेस्टेशन का मैंने ट्राई किया है,
उतनी नहीं हुई है.
हाँ,
तेरी शक्ल में दिखता है कि नहीं.
मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है बट
मेरे लिए नहीं किया इतना ऑनेस्टली.
Exactly, again as we said कि it varies person to person. मतलब क्योंकि तेरे लिए like what did you do to manifest a certain
What practices did you?
what did you
Like I'll tell you. So my manifesting goal was
हाँ,
that I नहीं ये तो this is something
I have.
हो ही जाता है.
ठीक है.
I have.
तो my manifesting goal was that I have to hit 600 के followers. ठीक है.
Okay.
Which has been pending from quite a long time now. मतलब I reach very close 597 598 but मैं फिर वापस
नीचे आ जाता
नीचे आ जाता हूँ. मैं फिर मैं वापस 593 पे आ गया हूँ.
है. Right.
ठीक है. बट आई ट्राई टू मैनिफेस्ट एवरी डे. आई बिलीव दैट आई हैव दैट. ठीक है. मैंने वॉलपेपर पे भी लगाया. आई वर्कड अकॉर्डिंग टू इट. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि डिडंट वर्क. रीच भी आया, एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. आया, आई वाज सीइंग इट कमिंग. बट देन आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. इट जस्ट वेंट बैक.
2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे.
2 हफ्ते में हो
2
जाएंगे.
हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे.
बाय इफ दिस हैपेंस
हाँ डेट याद है 13 February.
13 Feb. I think by end of this month,
Yeah.
if I hit 600k followers by end of this month, February,
अभी बढ़ा रहे हैं.
I'm calling these two legends again on this podcast, and we are going to discuss manifestation again.
2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे.
How can you be so sure about it?
2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे.
इंट्यूशन है भाई की यार, तुम जज कैसे कर रहे हो उसको?
2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे.
Approximately, yes.
चल ठीक है. Benefit of doubt के लिए मैं +-7 days भी लेके चलूंगा.
Of course, it depends on you also. मगर ये नहीं
course,
तू रील
मैं-
डालने छोड़ दे. क्या है, 2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे भाई. रील बात उठा गई, रील मैं डाल रहा.
हाँ मतलब of course भाई. I will work. चल I'll give my best in next 14 days.
Okay, good.
ठीक है, let's see.
Yeah.
So this is a mixed fruit segment where we offer mixed fruit to our guests.
Thank you.
क्योंकि एक ग्लास नहीं है तो मैं नहीं पी रहा हूँ, तभी एक घूम फिर के मेरे पास आ जाएगा, ठीक है।
शायद
बाकी दोस्तों, अगर हम मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एकदम ही वो कर लेते हैं कि आपको अगर हम सिर्फ मिक्स फ्रूट ही पिलाएंगे, यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग टू इट,
some flavor.
सम फ्लेवर।
हमारा स्टूडियो आने तो हम मिक्स फ्रूट खिलाएंगे भी सबको।
हाँ,
मिक्स फ्रूट
some
बोल रखेंगे
poison
हम,
if you want.
सबको देंगे हम वो।
So you can do it.
हमारा क्वेश्चन कि हाउ डिड मतलब व्हाट इज योर पेरेंट्स रिस्पांस ऑन लाइक दिस थिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग?
भाई ये क्या हो रहा है?
भाई बेटा क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या कर रहे हो?
भाई क्या जादू टोना करते रहते हो घर पे बैठे बैठे?
नहीं मेरा ऐसा नहीं था लकीली। तो या टचवुड वुड है, टचवुड
सर पे छूना ही है सबको।
टचवुड। So my parents were quite supportive in it कि चलो कर ले, क्योंकि
कि जा बेटा जादूगर।
हाँ मेरी जो पूरी फैमिली है, they're from sort of a creative background.
ओह नाइस।
लाइक
तो ये थोड़े, so my dad is an interior designer, अपना business ही है।
घर अच्छा है,
घर अच्छा है भाई, सही में इसका घर बहुत
समझ गया भाई।
अच्छा, पेंट हाउस
भाई क्या
यार वर्ड बहुत सुंदर बना है, लाइक व्हाटएवर इट जेन्युइनली।
yeah, so and हाँ, so my elder sister joined with them. मॉम ने शुरू किया था ये, and पहले इनका कार्ड का बिजनेस होता था, तो वो भी क्रिएटिव चीज़ है।
किसका?
वेडिंग कार्ड बनाना।
ओह।
पहले जब वेडिंग कार्ड होते थे, they were a thing.
स्टिल अ थिंग।
अब बहुत कम हो गया ना, तो अब तो इनवाइट भेजे।
ग्राफिक डिजाइनर की जॉब बढ़ गई है।
हाँ, तो एंड हाँ, माई यंगर सिस्टर इज अ लॉयर, बट वो भी करती रहती है अपनी क्रिएटिव चीज़ें, और मेरे को काफ़ी हेल्प करती है वो वैसे चीज़ बताने में।
आर यू द यंगर चाइल्ड?
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Yes, we get a lot of benefits.
Freedom.
Yeah, yes.
Benefits.
बड़े भाई बहन ना थोड़ा स्ट्रगल कर चुके हो।
हाँ,
ताकि-
हाँ, मैं
ये एल्डेस्ट है वो।
मैं भी eldest।
मैं हम यंग बैठे हैं ब्रो।
शक्ल में दर्द दिखता है, दोनों दाढ़ी वाले।
ये तो है
मतलब यार
लगता है स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, मतलब यार elder, if you are the elder of your house, eldest in your house, भाई you are like, भाई people look up to you भाई,
ये ले भाई जूस पी भाई।
and that is
भाई
sad.
रो रहा है भाई।
That is sad भाई। Like तू कुछ अच्छा करेगा तो बोलेंगे भाई अपने भाई से कुछ सीख, तू कुछ बुरा करेगा तो अपने भाई ऐसा बिल्कुल मत बनियो। भाई ये मतलब ये खानदान आगे ले जाने का किस डायरेक्शन में, ये जिम्मेदारी मेरी क्यों है भाई? मैं कुछ अच्छा करूँ तो वो कर लेना, मैं कुछ बुरा करूँ तो वो मत करना।
सही है, प्यार करते हैं भाई घर वाले, बट छोटे वाले को ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं।
ट्रू।
हराम खोर।
आपका क्या सीन है घर पे?
घर पे इनिशियली अलग था, अब अलग है।
What changed?
भाई वेस्ट दिल्ली का भाई, मैं समझ सकता हूँ।
हाँ, तो
घर वालों ने बोला होगा जाके नौकरी कर, बहन चो दी क्या कर रहा है।
हाँ ऑब्वियसली।
मेरे को लगा पहले बेल्ट पड़ती थी, अब चप्पल पड़ती है।
सो इनिशियली क्या था कि जब मैं बचपन में भी मैं थोड़ा करा था, फिर मैं 6 साल तो कॉन्टिन्यूसली करते हो गया, फिर छूट गया था बीच में, उसकी प्रैक्टिस छूट गई थी, जो रिचुअल्स और बाकी होती हैं। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि जब मैं कर रहा था, क्या था कोविड में, जब मैंने बहुत सीरियसली करना शुरू कर दिया, बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस। मैं सुबह उठता था, ये करता हुआ, सोता था, ये करता हुआ, कोई और कुछ था ही नहीं करने को।
क्या करने की बात हो रही है?
जादू भाई जादू।
मैं स्पेसिफिकली अपने जो एक्सरसाइजेज होती हैं,
जैसे
एंड स्टडिंग अबाउट इट, रिसर्च करना, एंड
हाँ, रिसर्च करना।
अभी भी कोई आता है, हम ऐसे कोविड के टाइम पे 11 बजे रात को कॉल शुरू करते थे, सुबह 6 बजे तक कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ बना के उठते थे।
बनाते हैं मतलब क्या थे आप?
लाइक क्रिएटिंग न्यू थिंग्स, हमारे खुद का आइडियाज इंप्लीमेंट करते थे कि ओ हाउ टू डू अ सर्टेन थिंग, हाउ टू मेक इट एंटरटेनिंग।
यू कैन से R&D
R&D करते थे।
तो मैं वही करता था। तो घर वाले चलो कॉलेज, मैं वैसे स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट हूँ।
क्या
मैं स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट,
इसे स्पोर्ट्स साइंस करिए।
मैं स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट हूँ।
ओके,
विच अच्छा वो भी बता दे तो क्या है, ये भी नई चीज़ है। हाँ, सो स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट होते हैं, जैसे आजकल हर टीम का एक कोई भी प्रोफेशनल टीम्स होती है उनके, जैसे विराट कोहली के शंकर बासु होगा, शायद पता हो। विराट कोहली के एक स्ट्रेंथ एंड कंडीशनिंग कोच है, उनका नाम है शंकर बासु।
ओके।
तो वो भी स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट ही है। तो वो क्या करता है कि यू ट्रेन अ एथलीट की स्किल तो स्किल है जो खेलते हैं वो क्रिकेट, विच इज अ स्किल पार्ट, बट देयर इज अ फिटनेस पार्ट टू दैट एज वेल, जिसमें एनाटमी, फिजियोलॉजी, एज इन बॉडी के बारे में सब, एक मसल, हाउ इट वर्क्स, हाउ मोबिलिटी वर्क्स, हाउ योर बॉडी वर्क्स, तो सारा वो मैं स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट हूँ टेक्निकली, फ्रॉम द डिग्री स्टैंड पर मैं जो पढ़ाई करी। और पर फिर अब मैं इसमें आ गया, तो हाँ, तो घर वाले करते अपना स्पोर्ट्स साइंस आपने करी है, बैचलर्स हो चुकी है आपकी। बाहर जाने का प्लान था इनिशियली कि घर वाले कहते बाहर जाओ, अब बाहर कौन जाएगा,
वो तो अभी भी निकाल देंगे वरना।
नहीं बाहर तो नहीं, मेरे को कोई इतना वो नहीं है, फैसिनेशन नहीं है मुझे कोई वो जैसे दिखाया जाता है कि बाहर की लाइफ बड़ी फैसिनेटिंग है।
हाँ, it is not fun.
ऐसा मुझे लगता है इंडिया में जितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी अगले 10 साल में आने वाली है उतनी बाहर तो है।
Same.
Exactly.
Same.
तो इंडिया विल बी बिग क्योंकि इकोनॉमी ग्रोइंग है, जनता यंग है, बहुत सारी चीजें खुल रही है। अब इंडिया में ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं है तो
चलो बीजेपी से स्पॉन्सर तो आ ही जाएगी पॉडकास्ट।
ठीक है।
मत करो भाई प्लीज।
ये कैमरा हिल गया थोड़ा। एक सेकंड यार, सॉरी गाइस, अभी थोड़ा सस्ता पॉडकास्ट है हमारा। माइक गिरने वाला।
सस्ता हेड 12 लाख का सेटअप है ये टोटल में।
यार